Uno Wild Twists. How to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to get rid of all of your cards. With all of the wild cards in the deck, shuffle the deck and deal it out evenly to all the players. Set any remainders face down in the middle of the table. Players do not look at their cards, but instead hold them face down. Pick a player to go first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, flip over the top card of your deck to a face-up discard pile in the middle. Whenever a wild card is revealed, all the players must race to slap the discard pile. The last player to slap the pile must take all the cards that match that wild's requirement, including that wild card, and shuffle them into their deck. Then they lead the next card. The wild cards are Red Wild, take all the red cards. Black Wild, take all the black cards. Wild Club, Heart, Diamond, or Spade, take all the matching cards of that suit. Wild, take all the cards in the discard. If you slap the discard pile when a wild hasn't been played, then you must shuffle all the cards in the discard into your deck. The first player to get rid of all of their cards wins. This deck is designed as a standard playing card deck that also includes 8 Uno wild cards you can use to spice up normal playing card games. Refer to the reference card for what the wilds do, or remove them for some traditional play.